Let's look at exercise 4a. Question 1, find the midpoint m of the given points. That's our x and y and x and y. Okay, and we've cut this out from the book. So we're looking at this form here. These are the coordinate points. It's going to be our new x value and that's going to be our new y value. So m is the average, so it's 2 plus root 2 divided by 2. And it's 1/3 plus 3.5 divided by 2. So the coordinate points are 1.71 and 1.92. That's the x and the y value of the midpoint. B, this is 3D, right? That's x, that's y, that's z, x, y, z. This is from the textbook, and that's the form. I'm going to write our answer in. Again, we're taking the average of the x's, average of the y's, and average of the z's. -1 plus 7 divided by 2. 5 plus 8.5 divided by 2. Minus 4.2 plus minus 11 divided by 2. And that gives us an x value of 3, y value of 6.75, and a z value of minus 7.6. Question 2. Determine the midpoint of the line segment between A and B, shown below. There's A, there's B, and we're looking for the midpoint. Well, we can see A has the position -2, 1, x value and y value. B is 2 minus 4. So the midpoint M is the average of the x values, -2 plus 2 divided by 2, and 1 plus -4 divided by 2, that's 0 and minus 1.5. Question 4, for the cuboid below, that's this one over here, write down the coordinates of point B. So point B, now point B is on this side, it's basically the bottom of the box. And as we can see, the x value is this one, so that's 6. And the y value is this one, okay, because this is parallel to the x-axis. So along this line here, the y value is 7. That's 7. And the z, because it's this bottom piece here, that's at the z value of 0. Because this whole plane is z equals 0. So the point is 6, 7, and 0. So that's x, y, and z. Write down the coordinates of point A. Well, this is A here. Now the x value is the same as for the B one, so they're both 6. Okay, we can see that because this is parallel to the y. And if you come down here, that side, or the end of the box, is perpendicular to the x-axis. So that's 6. The y value is 7 because it's on this plane. Okay, that's the same as B was. Remember, that whole plane is y equals 7. So it's 7. But it's 4 higher on the z-axis. So it's not 0. B was 0, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4 up. So that's 4. Well, now we know the 2 points. Find the coordinates of the midpoint. So we go back to this form. We take the average of the x's. That's 6 plus 6 divided by 2. The average of the y's, 7 plus 7 divided by 2. And the average of the z's, 0 plus 4 divided by 2. This equals 6, that equals 7, and that equals 2.